Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to start chapter 9 networking technology. Simply how to define computer network. A network of computers is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share resources and services. The shared resources can be data, printer, fax modem, etc. and services such as database or an email system. Now, what are the characteristics of computer network? The first characteristics of computer network is share resources from one computer to another. Second one is create files and store them in one computer, access those files from other computers connected over the network. And the third characteristics of computer network is connect a printer, scanner or a fax machine to one computer within the network, and other computers of the network use the machines available over network. Now next, what are the benefits or advantages of computer network? Now the first benefit of computer network is to communicate two or more machine very fast. Second benefit of computer network is to exchange information from one machine to another. Third benefit of computer network is to share resources such as printers, CD-ROM, etc. And the fourth benefit of computer network is sending messages from one machine to another machine. There are so many benefits or advantages of computer network. Now next is, what are the types of network services? Now first service is a file service, second one is printing service, next is message service, fourth is application service and database services. These are the types of network services. Now next, what is a communication model? Now communication model is used to exchange data between two parties. For example, communication between a computer, server and telephone through modem. Now this figure shows a communication model of computer network. Now in this model, the first parameter is a source. Now data to be transmitted is generated by this device, example telephone, personal computers, etc. The next parameter is a transmitter. The transmitter transforms and encodes the information in such a form to produce electromagnetic waves or signals. Now the third parameter of this model is a transmission system. Transmission system can be a single transmission line or a complex network connecting source and destination. Next parameter is a receiver. The receiver accepts the signal from the transmission system and converts it to a form which is easily managed by the destination device. And the last parameter is the destination. Destination receives the incoming data from the receiver. Now next is data communication. The exchange of data between two devices through a transmission medium is known as data communication. The data is exchanged in the form of zeros and one. The transmission medium used is wire cable. For data communication to occur, the communication device must be a part of communication system. Data communication has two types, local and remote. Now in local data communication take place when the communicating devices are in the same geographical area, same building, face to face between individual. In second, communication data communication is a remote. Remote communication take place over a distance, that is the devices or further. The effectiveness of data communication can be measured through the following features. One is delivery. It should be done to the correct destination. Second feature is a timeliness. It delivered should be on time. And last feature of this data communication is accuracy. Data delivered should be accurate. Now next is, what are the components of data communication? The first component is a message. It is the information to be delivered. Second component is a sender. Sender is the person who is sending the message. Next component is a receiver. Receiver is the person to whom the message is to be delivered. Next component is a medium. It is the medium through which the message is to be sent, for example, modem. Next is protocol. Protocol are some set of rules which govern data communication. Now these are the components of data communication.